YouTube channel. I am Madifa Jennifer and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you for always subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. So today I'll be talking on why some students always succeed in school even without being the smartest. Let's be real. Have you ever looked at a student in your class and wondered, why does this person always do well even when they don't seem like the smartest one? You study, you try, yet their name keeps appearing on the honor roll, like they get picked for awards. Teachers and lecturers love them, and you're just like, what is their secret? Well, today I'm about to break it down for you. This is not just motivation, this is strategy. Real talk. Let's go. First thing you need to know is that success in school is not about being the smartest person in the room. It is about being the most consistent. Some students don't wait for motivation. They have trained themselves to take actions even when they don't feel like it. When you're saying, I will start tomorrow, they are saying, let me start with just 10 minutes today. When you're scrolling for 1 hour on your phone, they are breaking their study into small pieces. They are not perfect, but they are showing up every single day, and that is what matters. Number 2, their environment is set up for success. You want to know another secret? Their environment is working for them, not against them. They remove distractions, phone on silent, social media off, apps blocked when needed. They use reminders, sticky notes on the wall, alarms, visual times table. They surround themselves with people who push them to do better. If their friends are lazy, they stay away during study time. You can't win this game if your environment is designed for failure. So watch out for the environment that you are in. Point 3, another important point is that they build tiny habits that adds up. Here's the thing most students don't realize. It is not about doing 5 hours of study in one day, then nothing for the next week. It's about doing 20 minutes today, then again tomorrow, then again the next day. This builds what I call invisible momentum. You won't see the result at first, but suddenly, after a month, your grade starts going up. You will remember more, you will write better, and you will feel more confident, prepared for the exam. It is not magic. It is consistency plus small daily efforts plus believing you can grow. Did you just see it? Consistency is powerful. Point 4, self-esteem plus study equals to winning combo. Let me say this. Many of these students aren't naturally confident, but the more they take small actions, the more they get to trust themselves. Confidence grows when you prove to yourself that you can keep promises to yourself. So if you feel low right now, start small. Start with one subject, one topic, and one page. Every small win builds your self-esteem. And with self-esteem, you will study better, you will ask questions in class, and you will take risks that help you grow. And that is why I keep shouting it, self-esteem. And they always call me self-esteem mama, because I know how important it is. Now I want you to comment below which of these 3 strategies will you start with today. Is it consistency over motivation, changing your study environment, or building tiny habits that build up? And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more study hacks and confidence tips, and share this with one friend who is always stressing you about grades. Yes. You've got this, and I believe in you. See you in my next video. Bye.